How do I turn on secure boot in Windows 11? So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can turn on secure boot on your PC on Windows 11. So for that you have to access the things like you have to go to settings and update and security. Like you have to go to settings and then go to update and privacy and security, and after that you have to select recovery and select restart now. And from here you have to go to and recovery and you have to just restart your PC. Like as you can see, you have to click on restart, and after clicking on restart you can see the uh, on the next screen that select troubleshoot and then advanced options. You have to go to UEFI firmware settings and restart to make changes. So that's how you can enable secure boot on your PC on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.